today.
Just don't even touch the road.
All right.
3, 2, 1, quiet.
Functions.
Wait.
Quiet. Wait. Colts. Koala. Koala.
Tell me, define function for me.
Function is a thing that.
So what's it mean to be a function?
It's something that a function is something that can help you solve a problem.
Okay. One input to one out. So every input has only one output. What do I mean when I say input? X, that's right. What's an output? A Y. So there it is in words. How about on a graph? What does that look like to be a function?
Maybe like
X, Y.
straight line across.
Oh yeah, because you can only hit once.
What can only hit once?
So X and a Y.
If you draw a vertical line, you can only hit.
There you go. Y'all are both on. We do the vertical line test.
So if we do like a line straight across, that'll be.
Right. We did. This is before we get a lot deeper into it. So this is kind of a review from what we did. So vertical line test. So let me give you two graphs. You tell me function yes or no. You ready? Are they what?
Yes. Function.
Are they?
They go through the wrong way.
I don't know.
They're
Function or not?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's not hitting that way.
It's not right. Every point on here for every X, if this was like, I don't know, 3, 7, maybe this is 5, 7. There's no place where I drop a line where it have the same Y for, or different Y's for the same X. Right. But if you turned it, it wouldn't. So vertical line test. Let me give you another one. Bonus points if you remember what this function is called.
Oh yeah, this one.
Oh no, like that.
This one don't hit either.
I don't remember if we talked about it or not. There's an asymptote, a vertical asymptote, and a horizontal asymptote. What's it called?
Everyone got shut up.
I
Did
forgot.
y'all remember
I
this?
forgot to leave the door open when I went out.
This is called reciprocal. Pause. Reciprocal. Okay? Reciprocal is just one of, did we talk about this last year at all? I think we did a little bit. So is it a function? Yes, because anywhere I go, it passes that vertical line test. That's exactly right. I'll do one that's
I
not.
don't even need to take this.
Functions.
Miss Mickey, I don't even need to take those shirts.
The one on the left.
Unless
Oh,
this is
that does not pass. That does not.
That does not pass. So this is not a function. Not a function because it fails the vertical line test, right? If I drop a vertical line down, boop, 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 boop.
Hey, this is what our document is.
Oh my gosh, yes. I'm glad y'all actually opened it and did it because y'all know what it was. Yeah.
We actually did really well. It was
Good.
Hey, we were silent.
When does the Delta Max from the test go?
Yeah, so I found out AI face.
I was gonna do it today during my planning, but I had to get a. All right, look, I want y'all to understand this.
Also, what is the Delta Max from what you want here? What is that?
All right, these coordinates. Look at what's repeating. Okay, the X is repeating. So whenever you look at points, X cannot repeat. Okay, but I could have the same Y for different X's. In other words, if I turned it around this way, maybe this is 4, 3, and maybe this is 0, 3. I can have the same Y's, but the minute I have the same X's, it's no longer a function, right?
The Y is not.
One and only one output for every input.
So if we did a horizontal line, the Y would pass.
I think it's a bubblegum ring, but okay.
So it's not a function.
Yes. Guys, I need y'all to focus. Y'all are gonna be complaining you don't understand when it's time for test. All right.
209.
Now,
Wait, I Yo, you're not gonna get it.
So actually, this is actually a hard lesson, so I will pay attention.
It's all part of the
Yes.
So I did that, that's what I did.
Is that a 7 or -7?
that's -7.
It's all part of the plan, guys.
Function or no? Why?
Not totally negative.
Same things be but worse.
They have the same outcome.
Dude.
Yo,
We have figured out for ourselves the other day. We even have a teacher to teach.
Okay, what?
Huh?
That's the difference.
Oh, yes.
it's fine.
How did you get those numbers? Hold on, stop.
I'm just making up examples.
That's what
Oh, no, it's not.
That's not.
It's not fine.
No, that's not a function.
It has multiple.
Because there's 2 lines going off of that, -9.
Yeah,
Yeah, but the top number's more functional, because the number of.
Okay, so this is a function because none of the x's repeat.
Yeah.
But this one, if this is x and this is y, you're saying this one is not a function?
Correct.
Negative nine goes to 2 different ones.
So it goes -9, -2, -9, 5. So the x's are repeating, so this is not. Do you see how to read those?
Yeah.
That's pretty basic. Okay,
Get harder. That's how we did Friday.
that's what you did Friday. That's right. Okay.
Stuff did not solve.
The double on that. She was out for that.
Yeah, she was pregnant. She was pregnant. Yeah, she was pregnant.
How do we represent functions? By name. How do we name them in an equation?
How do you name what?
An equation. How do you tell it's a function? It has f of x equals. So if I do f of x, that tells me it's a function of x, right? But it's the same as y. Does it have to be an f? No, it could be a g, it could be an h, it could be anything. We give them different names. Just a way to name it. It's just saying so we can differentiate between them.
But it has to be X.
Yes.
X, yes, yeah,
But that means why.
yes.
We don't need.
Nah, I just mean like sit here and like mess with something and watch it. Cool. That's what my. Okay. That was like even with the. Sorry.
that one, isn't it?
Oh.
Is it one, isn't it?
No, it's outside. Let's say I told you that f of x, guys,
That makes sense.
that f of x was negative cubed root of 2x minus 7 plus 1. And I said, find f of 17. What does that mean I do? 17's going in for my x, right? So it's going in here, so this would be negative. This is not a 3 times, it's cubed root. What does cube 4 minus 7? Yeah,
17
27. What's the cubed root of 27?
9.
3. How do you know? That's right. 3 times 3 times 3 is 9. So I got, the negative sits on the outside. The cubed root of 27 is 3 plus 1. What's
-2.
negative
I
2?
spent on wait, how'd you get? 1 times 10.
He said blood on cake.
Wait, the negative
Because the negative sits out front,
It's in front of the.
yeah, it stays with us.
On the.
What if what?
It was like on that.
It is kind of on that 3.
What, the negative? Yeah, but not really. It's just on the outside, but it'll automatically go to the negative. No. He wasn't paying attention.
I was trying to
No, you got those.
I got you one right here.
Okay, great. Yeah, no, I wasn't joking.
Find h of 2a plus 7. Go.
Oh, I actually gonna do this one.
I'm doing it again, but hold on. Is action A the same? It's not the same. Wait, where? Wait, that's my.
You just gotta do the little.
Where if you do 2 of them and then,
You gotta spoil it. Yeah. Okay, well, that means X minus 1, X plus 1.
Are we serious? Edward, what is 4A squared?
I'm trying to do math.
I'm doing. How did you get where I'm not?
What does it mean whenever I say H of something in parentheses right there?
Yeah, I believe in myself.
Just plug it in for
You just plug it in. Every X gets replaced by that. Every single one.
no matter what.
No matter what.
So it shouldn't be -1 or +1.
So will there ever be a problem where it's like? So will there ever be a problem of something equals if nobody like an X negative?
Wait, so Miss McGee at the
You gotta
start,
put the X up
Miss McGee at the start, so I don't just make this -1 +1. I plug it in first and then change it to.
Wait, Miss McGee,
4A squared.
the last parentheses, calculation period is -1.
You should have a square in it.
4A squared
4A squared?
plus
Oh,
26A.
oh. 30 for the 30.
Oh, 14A. I added them together. Oh,
Oh, no. It's, yeah, that's not right.
okay.
So I just did a quick distribute on everything.
You're right.
Now I'm gonna gather up my like terms. 4A, there's only one A squared term, right?
Yeah.
Now all the A's. 14,
28 minus
14, and -2,
Okay, I got it now.
26.
40 squared plus 26 equals 56.
49, close, but you got to do positive 49 minus 7 minus 1.
41.
40.
Yo, I got it right. Yo, say something.
No.
Yes, I did. Yeah, there's a table.
Nice, that's okay.
Wait. Did you finish that?
Yep.
That was the final. Okay.
Yep. Find G of -5C, go.
Oh, so this is just like what we did last week. So you don't keep going.
Yeah, why don't you keep going?
What else could you do?
Multiply 4 to 41 and see what,
Okay.
multiply to 41, but add 26.
I wasn't, that's only if I'm solving.
Okay, wait.
I'm not solving, I'm just
It's not
evaluating. Right.
No.
Evaluate.
On the lower level.
G of -5C, go. I don't like that color.
Did I get hard?
Not,
Minus 5.
It's -3C plus
evaluating functions.
-3C plus 2 over -C plus 1 minus
Maybe -2, actually.
But can you take a -5 and a 5 out and then?
You can take out a -5 or a +5, it doesn't matter, whichever one you want.
+1 or -1 or -2 or -1.
Minus.
So if I take a -5 out up here, it leaves me with 3C plus 2. I have. If you take a -5 out down here, it leaves me with C minus 1. And I could cross out those -5s. 3C plus 2 over C minus 1. Or it could be -3C minus 2 over -C plus 1.
That's what I did.
That's the smart.
That's me.
Either one's fine.
That's the smart. I think it looks better. Because I realized that not all of them were.
I did it where
Well, Miss McGee, this
Oh,
boy,
okay,
man,
that's-
that's fine.
Is it gonna get a lot harder?
I can't eat that.
Duh, man.
Is it getting any harder?
She said, oh, really? Well, that's how it is. Duh, man.
Some of it. All right, guys. This didn't work for y'all last time on that rational functions test, right?
I got the highest grade in class. Oh, what? Yeah, because of the cheating.
Yeah. Oh, no.
I'm already.
Hey, sorry.
So like,
Yeah, I'm not calling you talking.
I just connected to the Bluetooth.
I'm very I said to the Andes. Yeah, Grayson definitely said the real.
What's f of 1?
What is it, -4?
It's negative, yeah.
What are you looking for when you do that?
Because X is 1.
You're looking for the y. This is my x. And you're saying, what is y at that point? Negative.
Should I write this down?
Okay. If I say, what is f of 1, that means, what is y when x is 1? What if I said f of 3 is 0? What is y when x is 3? So given a graph, could you look and relate these to points? That's essentially what you're doing. If I say f of 3 is 0, that means it's got the point 3, 0. This is the point 1, -4.
But it's going to get way harder.
Not today so much, but it will. Yes, we're going to use this for A-Rock. A-Rock.
This is what we do our
No, with our.
No, what we did our projects on.
We did it with like.
Come to me.
I'm in the middle. My code was really good.
You did a what?
All right.
I'm trying to do that. Did you post my anything from her?
No.
Terrible. That's the reason she.
Guys, I am fixing to take that duck away from y'all. And Lane's going to be very upset.
Alright, that's enough.
No, I'll hold it.
He's my son. Don't take that though.
Tell me to give it to you.
Critical points. We're going to talk about several different kinds of critical points. You've learned these before.
Stop. Critical points.
Does this need to be a new notes?
You need to write them both.
What? Write them up. I'm just going to send them out.
Clean
You
those
know what
notes
working
outside,
is?
clean them notes outside.
Hello there. Well, man, what's some fun?
What's an x-intercept?
X-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis.
Okay, so graphically, it's where it crosses the x-axis. How can,
On the bottom of my notes.
wherever you want. I don't know that.
How do you take notes? I don't.
Well, then I guess you don't write it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I mean, that's.
where it crosses the x-axis. Now, algebraically, if I gave you an equation, how can you find the x-intercepts?
You plug in the Y. Plug in the Y.
For 0 for y. You set y equal to 0 and solve. That's why whenever I have these quadratics, I always make it equal 0 and I factor and solve or whatever. It gives me the x-intercepts, okay? But that's where it crosses the x-axis. How about y-intercepts? It's the exact opposite, right? It's where it crosses the y-axis, and algebraically, I would set x equal to 0, and this time solve y. Critical points.
Hey, so red means stop. Green means yellow means yellow.
All right. Then we talked about some other types of critical points. Slow down,
Yeah, we can't be writing notes all night.
No, what how?
Grayson.
Look at that stupid idiot.
Listen. Grayson.
Please. We're gonna how many snaps? Snap them real fast. We're gonna go back to deep fast. I don't like it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
Can't catch them. Drop like 30.
Yeah, why do you think the most of those West
Other critical points that we're going to talk about, maxes and mins, and we talked about this in Algebra 2.
Is this spelling over the critical point?
Yep, these are different types of critical points. Maximums and minimums, sometimes we called them something else. What did we call them? Do you remember?
So it looks like.
They create a vertex, but what else? Keep going. It's 2 words. Yes, what'd you say? Oh, no, what else is it?
I was close.
T.
Highest point.
Turning point, yeah, I said that.
Why did we call them turning points?
Because that's where it switched.
That's where they.
Switched what?
Switch.
The decreasing way they were going letters.
Okay,
Whether they were increasing or decreasing.
that's it. It changes from increasing to decreasing or decreasing to increasing. It stops going up and starts. Did he? I'm sorry. Thank you, Worth. All right. Let me give you a graph.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta let the feet breathe, bro.
Show me, Grayson, come stand up here by the board and point for me. That's a good job for you.
What you need? Let me do it.
Show us where the absolute maximum is on the graph.
Dang it.
It doesn't work, I know.
No, yeah, it does. I got it.
Absolute maximum. Show us where the relative maximum is. That's right. Show us where the
Wait, I can do it.
Why is that the relative?
Okay.
show us where the absolute minimum is.
Negative infinity.
Oh, it's a trick question. Good job. Show us where the relative minimum is.
What? Oh, wait, wrong one. Oh, wait, no, I was right.
Okay. Label, show me the area where it is increasing.
Increasing?
Increasing.
That's increasing?
No.
That's increasing.
No.
Yes, it is.
Other
That's
than-
decreasing because
Well-
it's negative infinity.
What side do we start with?
What?
You have to read a graph like you read a book, left to right.
There's only
It's
one.
increasing right here.
Unless you're in Japan.
That's right.
Dang it.
So increasing,
So decreasing.
guys,
Wait, can you see what
increasing.
I'm-
No, that's why I have to keep going. And then
The whole One Piece series.
decreasing and decreasing. Aiden's got to pay attention.
No, okay.
Got anything else?
No, that's it, I think.
Give me something.
Let me get, oh my gosh. Let me give some points to this so you can do the intervals. Let's say this point was, I don't know, let's say negative 3.7. Let's say this point was 4. Let's say this point was 2.5.
Can I do it?
Name the increasing intervals in Worth. Interval notation.
Increasing.
All the way to.
Negative infinity to negative 3.
Negative infinity to
No,
what?
The 7. The 7. Not negative 3. Negative 3 is the x. The 7.
Are we all in agreement?
No,
it's the name.
I swear it was always X, bro.
Yeah, you go on S.
Because when you're reading domain, it's
And then parentheses U.
Oh, I remember that.
And then
I thought
from
the first number
0
was the X.
yeah, the first one is X.
It's, the x is the one that goes up.
We're reading left or right.
Left to right.
X is this way.
Right.
Yeah, but
Okay. Neither does Grayson. All right. Come. Who understands? Come up here and show him. Hey,
all right, I got
you
it.
understand?
Decreasing. Decreasing.
I'll do it.
Left to right. Left to right. Left to right.
Because she listens to it.
Well, you didn't write anything
No,
for
because
that
if Grayson's up here, he's not back there showing
decreasing.
out.
You didn't write anything for that
No,
decreasing.
he's wrong.
For that decreasing one, you didn't write anything.
Yes, I did.
Where is it? Is it 0 and 4?
It's -3 to 0.
Where is it decreasing?
From -3 to 0.
From -3 to 0. Where else is it decreasing?
Hold on,
From,
stop.
from 2 to -infinity.
No,
To
to infinity. You got to look at those x
I remember
values.
that. Because the left side of it is negative infinity, the right side is positive.
All right, so this is an easy one today.